Good morning, student. Today we revise here our topic blood pressure and transportation in plant. Okay. So what is blood pressure? This is the view of blood pressure. The pressure at which blood is pumped around the body by the heart is called blood pressure. The pressure of a person is always expressed in the form of two values. First one is called systolic pressure and second one is called diastolic pressure. Means the phase of the heartbeat when the heart contracts and pump the blood into arteries is called systole, and the phase of heartbeat when the heart relax, expand and allow the chamber to fill with blood is called diastole. Okay. So the maximum pressure at which the blood leaves the heart through the main artery aorta during contraction phase is called systolic pressure, and the minimum pressure in the arteries during the relaxation phase of heart is called diastolic pressure. So the normal blood pressure value are systolic pressure is 120 mmHg and diastolic pressure is 80 mmHg. So we usually written as that 120 upon 80. Okay. So the blood pressure value vary from person to person and time to time. Like age is also a big factor of it. A young person may have good blood pressure like 110 to 75, but the age of 60 year it could be 145 to 90. So high blood pressure is called hypertension. Okay. So very high blood pressure can lead to a rupture of an artery and done internal bleeding that is very harmful for a person. Now we have to also know about that how to measure blood pressure. Okay. So blood pressure is measured by using an instrument called sphygmomanometer. This is very important, child. Many times this type question is raising in your exam. So the measurement means the instrument which will be used for blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. Two reading of blood pressure are taken. Systolic pressure means when the heart contracting and pumping out blood, and the diastolic pressure when the heart relax and fill with the blood. So various steps in measuring the blood pressure of a person are allowed. Like if you go with in a hospital for taking your blood pressure, if you are not feeling well, so first one a rubber cuff, which is rubber tube, is wrap around your arm. Okay. And then flatted pumping air into give a pressure about 200 mmHg to the branchial artery which runs down the arm. This pressure can seen on the scale of the instrument of sphygmomanometer. And if the stethoscope is now placed on the artery of the arm, no sound is heard through it. Second one, with stethoscope still placed on artery, the cuff pressure is reduced during by deflecting it, and the cuff pressure when the heartbeat is first heard as a soft tapping sound through the stethoscope give us the systolic pressure. After that, the cuff pressure is reduced further by deflecting it more and more. Means the cuff pressure when tapping sound in stethoscope just disappear, give us the diastolic pressure. So we have to be note down here systolic and diastolic pressure. So when a high pressure of about 200 mmHg is applied to the arm by the cuff, then the branchial artery get closed and no blood flow in it, and no flow in the branchial artery at this stage. Therefore no tapping sound is heard in the stethoscope, and when the cuff pressure is reduced and becoming equal to the systolic pressure, then the branchial artery open up slightly and there is an instrument blood flow in it, due to which a soft tapping sound just begin to be heard in the stethoscope. So finally we have blood pressure. हमारे पास blood pressure आ गया है. इस तरीके से हमें blood pressure को क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे मेज़र करते हैं. मतलब when you go in hospital you consult with your doctor about the blood pressure. सो आई थिंक आप सबको पता है कि डॉक्टर क्या मेज़र कर रहा है, डायसिस्टोलिक एंड सिस्टोलिक, एंड व्हाट इज़ नॉर्मल एंड व्हाट इज़ नॉट नॉर्मल. ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट ब्लड प्रेशर एंड हाउ टू मेजर ब्लड प्रेशर. नाउ बेटा transportation in human being is completely here. Second one, transportation in plant. Transport system in plant is less elaborate than in animal. The plant are less active, so their cell do not need to be supplied with materials so quickly. And also due to the branchial shape of the plant, all the cell of a plant get oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis direct from the air by diffusion. देखिए हमारी बॉडी डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू ऑक्सीजन रेस्पिरेशन नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज वी आर कॉम्प्लेक्स एनिमल. बट प्लांट्स में क्या होता है, ये सारा डिफ्यूजन की फॉर्म में होता है बिकॉज देयर इज नो लंग्स ओवर देयर. ओके, so the only substance which are to be supplied plant through a transport system are water and mineral, which they can't get from the air. Another job of transport system of plant is transported food prepared in leaves to be various part of the plant like stem, like root. So plant have two type of tissue. First one is xylem and second one is phloem. We also call it vascular tissue. Okay beta. Now ट्रांसपोर्ट पढ़ रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज जाइलम. जाइलम कैरी वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. एंड सेकंड वन फ्लोएम. फ्लोएम विच कैरी द फूड मटेरियल विच द प्लांट means phloem also carry the hormones made by the plant in their root and their shoot tips. Like we already described their plant hormone like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. Okay, so the transport of material in plant can be divided into two parts. First one is transport of water and mineral in the plant, and the second one is transport of food and other substances like hormone in the plant. So beta, this is only introduction that what is functioning in transportation in plant. After that in next lecture we describe there about the xylem and xylem components, how they transport water from all part of the plant. Second one phloem, how phloem make food and how they food transferred by which direction, means like xylem transfer in uniform and phloem done in it bidirectional form. Okay, you have to be one homework here that you have to be done 10 question from transportation in animal from last 10 year 10 board exams papers. Okay, you have to find out that papers and solve that question which is related to transportation in animals or transportation. Okay, thank you.